Hi, congrats! Coach!
Hi!
How do you feel, Mare?
Proud ako sa aming dalawa ni Kakay. Kahit na siguro may mga challenges.
Yes.
Pero ako, I enjoyed the performance. I enjoyed performing with you. Kasi grabe yung preparation namin for this. Ilang araw talaga kaming nag-rehearse. Kahit na hindi namin kailangan mag-rehearse, numanakaw kami ng mga araw. Considering our busy schedules, nilaban naming dalawa. Ang sabi nga nila, ka-faith lang.
Yes!
Kapit.
Tama yun. And, babe, Kakay,
You did so good.
what happened? I'm gonna cry. I know there's more to it with the burst of emotions. Ang hirap. Do you want...
Nandito kami.
Yes. Do you want...
You did really good.
No, don't be
Don't feel bad.
Don't feel bad.
wanted to give a good performance.
You did!
And we did. Ang ganda ng
Yes.
performance natin.
Yes.
Tuwang-tuwa silang lahat sa atin, babe.
Oo. At actually, yung pagbukas pa lang ng ilaw, pagtutok sa inyo, tapos yung mga ganun, iba ka dun, Kakay.
Maraming tumatak sa kanila na, alam mo yun, na positive.
Yes,
Sa
babe.
performance na ginawa niyo.
Alam ko, Kakay, you have your personal battles, pero girl, trust me,
Ang
tama
napalala
yung,
ng iba.
yung sinabi ni Ate Ann kanina na ito yung girl power, yun din yung nakita ko kanina.
Exactly.
Yun yung nakita namin lahat dito. So, congratulations,
Congrats!
guys!
Kakay, Faith,
Congrats,
Coach.
Ate.
Congrats!
Thank you, thank you.
Ayan na. Well, happy din tayo, of course,
Oo
sa mga...
naman. Si Thea tsaka si Das, si Thea talagang, talaga siya, sobrang stress niya talaga dito. Grabe din ang pinagdaanan nila. Kaya proud na proud ako sa ating top 2 do.
Proud na proud kami sa inyong lahat.
Sobra.
Grabe yung hard work ninyo.
Okay, sige.
And
Galing
paparating
nyo.
pa lang tayo sa exciting part. I'm excited for the both of you. And of course,
Thank
ikaw
you.
din, Mare.
Mahaba pa yan.
Guys!
Mahaba pa yan. Yan pa yan.
Well, mag-ready na kayo for our next, for the finale part of this episode. So, go guys! Congrats, guys! Go guys!
Thank
You
you.
did well. Thank you, Coach Alja. Thank you.
Hi, Faith.
Go, Mare! Purr!
Thank you, guys.
Per.
Yeah!